Most engineers are stuck at level 1. The 1% building real wealth are at level 5, and they don't write code anymore. The roadmap has 5 floors. Each one pays a completely different number. Here's the climb. 5 levels: coding, AI tools, systems, products, business. Each one is a separate income bracket. Each one is a separate set of skills. Most engineers learn level 1 in a boot camp, get a job, and stay there their whole career. They keep getting better at the floor. The ceiling never moves. Level 1, that's coding. You can write a function. You can pass a leak code interview. You can ship a feature when someone tells you exactly what to build. This is the floor. The ceiling is around $80,000 in most markets. And here's the bad news. This is the level AI has fully commoditized. Cursor and Claude Code do level 1 faster than most juniors. If you stop here in 2026, you're competing with software for the lowest paid tier of the industry. Level 2. AI tools. You don't just code, you orchestrate. You know how to prompt. You wire Claude Code into your repo with a Claude.md. You use Cursor like a piano. You build little internal agents that triage your inbox or write your test boilerplate. Salary bracket, 150 to 200K. Most senior engineers in 2026 are here. It's where the median sits. Level 3. Systems. You stop thinking about code and start thinking about how data flows, where it lives, what breaks under load. You design architectures, not features. A staff engineer at this level can sketch your entire stack on a whiteboard in 5 minutes and tell you exactly which queue is going to die first. Salary bracket, 250 to 400K plus equity that actually matters. This is where AI cannot replace you. Yet. It still asks you the architectural question, not the other way around. Level 4. Products. You stop optimizing for code and start optimizing for outcomes. You don't ask, what's the cleanest abstraction? You ask, what's the cheapest thing I can ship that proves users want this? At level 4, you're a principal engineer or a founding engineer at a startup. You're paid on what ships, not what's pretty. Salary bracket, 400K plus equity. Equity that, if it hits, prints generational wealth. Level 5. Business. You don't write code at all most days. You build the company. You're a CTO, a solo founder with a SaaS, a consultant charging 20K a month for AI architecture reviews. You compound capital, not commits. There's no ceiling at level 5, and only the size of the market you go after. The 1% of engineers building real wealth are right here. And most of them never planned for it. They climbed. Here's the brutal stat. Roughly 90% of engineers stop between level 1 and level 2. They get a job. They get raises. They optimize the floor. Maybe 4 to 5% get to level 3. Staff engineer territory. About 1% ever cross into level 4 or 5. Not because the others lack talent. Because nobody told them the levels exist. The map was hidden. The map isn't hidden anymore. Pick the level you want to compete at. Climb intentionally. Or stay on the floor and let the model do your job for 80K. The roadmap is the entire career. The only question, which level is yours?